Hello, beautiful. Welcome back to another cleaning day. We are cleaning the entire house. Well, I can't say the entire house because I'm not going into the kids' rooms or upstairs on the living room, only down here in my bedroom and two of the bathrooms. Oh, and also I am going to put all my Easter decorations away. And also, guys, this is such a special collaboration with one of my good friends here on YouTube. Her name is Andrea Salas. She does a lot of cleaning videos, a lot of cleaning motivation. She has a few of beauty videos as well, and she is also doing some exercise live with me on Instagram. So please go and show her some love. Go let her know that you're coming from me, and just go support her, guys. She has such an amazing content. She is a mom of 3 babies, and I swear to God that I just picture myself when my kids were little. Every time I see her kids, it's like I see my kids one more time. So go show her some love. Let her know that you are visiting her from my channel. And if you're coming from her channel, welcome. My name is Ana. I do a lot of cleaning motivation videos, a lot of lifestyle, anything that it's mom related, you will find in my channel. And I do also. So if you are interested on any of those videos or any of that content, subscribe to the channel, become part of the family so we can become a bigger and amazing family. And so if you're ready to get all that cleaning motivation, then just keep watching.
It's getting closer to midnight.
I'm gonna start in my bedroom today. All I have to do in here is just do my bed. I am not going to be vacuuming because I don't have a bag for my vacuum, and the only place where I can get a bag it's online. They don't have those bags at any other stores other than online, and I haven't received it, so that's one of the reasons why I haven't vacuumed. But I'm gonna be making my bed and also cleaning the toilet in here. So I picked up those towels at Costco, but since my washer, it's not installed yet, I haven't been able to wash them, and that's why I have them in here. I'm just gonna leave them next to my bed, and all I have to do is just take the wrapper and leave it in here until my washer is back on, because I just don't want the kids to use them before I wash them. And then I'm gonna go and clean my toilet, and you guys know that I do love to use the Clorox ones. And then I'm gonna go downstairs to clean the guest bathroom. I'm not gonna be cleaning the kids' bathroom since they did clean the bathroom like 2 days ago. And they've been on that bathroom, washing it and cleaning it. So I'm really blessed that they are doing that. I mean, that's their bathroom. They are the only ones that they use the bathroom, so they all help each other, and between all 4 of them, they do clean that bathroom. And I've been using the Method lavender scent only in the bathrooms. Like, I love that scent, and I just don't want it to be like, I don't want to finish it, and so that's why I try to use that one only in the bathrooms.
But it's over now. Time keeps slipping with your skin next to mine, and your lips I can fight, but it's over now. You brought out the best in me. We had everything we needed. You put me aside.
And all this mess that I have in the kitchen, it's from a day before. We did make some carne asada tacos a day before. It was Cinco de Mayo, so we did make some good carne asada tacos, and I didn't clean on that night, so this is the after mess. So you guys know I am just putting all the dishes together and then separating them and getting them ready to be washed.
Love me more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we collide. Had a vision, we held on to so tight. To me it was clear, but you lied to me. Now I keep thinking, was I wasting my time letting you into my life? You brought out the best in me. We had everything we needed. You put me aside and turned up.
And then I'm going to be collecting all the other dishes that were on the table. And believe it or not, but this is not a lot of dishes. I usually get more dishes than this. And this includes some of the dishes that we used for breakfast. And again, this is another product that I am almost done, but I'm actually not going to be purchasing this one. I really didn't like the way it worked in here. The only place where I did use and I like the way it worked, it was in the bathroom, but it just has like an after smell that I don't like, so I'm not going to be purchasing this one. I just wanted it to be done.
Was it all make believe? Something you never needed? Or was it a flaw? I don't know yet anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we collide. Hey. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Dangerous, selfish ways to love you more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we collide.
Feel like I was falling through the air. No one like myself to hold my hand. Standing in the shadows of what we have been. Sleeping with your back facing me. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make. And I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 We've been to places.
So this cocktail mixing glass, it's such a special glass because my cousin gave to me, but this was my aunt, and I was raised by her. She does live in Mexico, and she gave it to her, so my cousin passed it on to me, and I really don't use it at all. But since day before was, like I said, Cinco de Mayo, I did use this one to make agua de fresa, and I just love that container. I don't use it because I am so scared that the kids will going to break it, and that's one of the reasons why I always have it away. But for occasions like on the Cinco de Mayo, like I try to use it.
'Cause we're dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one. You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. And we're 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 dancing as one.
You're gone now, will you call me back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination.
This basket, it's with all the extra stuff that we were going to take for the Easter camping for this year, but obviously things changed and I'm just gonna save them for next year. And then all of these eggs are the extra eggs for next year, or the eggs that the kids hunt. I thought we had more. I don't know what happened with the rest. They probably threw it away. But I'm gonna try to fit everything on this basket. And I'm kind of sad to put it away. But let's put everything away in here. I'm gonna take out these things first and then try to see if I can fit everything in here.
You're far away, and yet so close. Yeah, I feel.
I purchased a few little gifts for my nephews for Easter, and obviously since I didn't get to see them, I still have them in here, and I will be giving it to them whenever I see them. So I'm not going to be putting those back in the baskets. I'm just going to put them in a plastic bag, and whenever we go and see them, then I'm just going to give it to them. And I will be using the same wrapping paper that they gave me at the stores. I did save that just because I do try to use newspaper, but since I did have this ones and they were in good condition, I'm still going to use the same one. I'm just going to be wrapping them around with that, what is it, like gift wrapping paper? But I mean, it's not gift, it's like newspaper. So I'm going to wrap them that way they won't like break. And I did try to put all like the heavy items all the way on the bottom. And this is one of my favorite Easter's, like Easter decoration. I did had extra jelly beans that no one liked. Those are literally are just going to go to the trash because no one have ate them, and some of them are really, really hard. And Mr. Snowball, it's going to go away. I am so sad that I am putting this one away. Like, I just waited so long to put all my decorations away just because I do like them. And I'm going to be leaving this loved sign just because it really does look like spring/summer, since it doesn't have like Easter in it, but it does have a rose that I add to it. And also some of the flowers that I have in here, I am going to leave those in there. And just so that my coffee bar area doesn't look empty, I will be leaving some of those in there.
Before your life was so boring, I got up, went to work just to get back home and repeat. Before you, I just felt nothing. I didn't dare to take risks. Now we be staying up all night. We don't have to sleep 'cause we're crazy in love, yeah.
fight, we know we can work it out, baby. Ooh, you make me wanna shout out the top of my lungs.
I'm gonna be using some of the Ziploc bags in here that I did had. I don't remember what I had in here, but I'm just gonna be using those to put all the eggs that are by himself, and so that way they won't be out and about on the box or in the bin. And then I am also going to put this little pillows away. Those are the kids' favorite, but I'm just going to put those away until next year. And I did told them that I was going to be looking for some for them. Since there is only 2 and I have 4 boys, I just don't want them to be fighting for those. So that's why I did put them away. And then also some of the pillows in here, I will be using them in my bedroom. I just didn't want to put them away because, for example, the white ones, I can use those in my bedroom as well. And since I do want to purchase new pillows for the couch, I'm not going to be using those. And then the pink ones are more for Valentine's. Those are going to be going away into a different bin. And only the white ones are going to be added into my bed.
You make me wanna love like I'm 20 years young. With you I'm not the same. With you I'm not afraid. You make me wanna run, 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 run,
And now I have an empty coffee bar area. I do have a few flowers that I used inside of the Easter decorations. And then this is the area where the kids charge their phones, and we use it as a charging station. And also I did left an Easter bunny that I had by the window that it's green. That is Edgar's favorite one. And I just didn't want her to put that one away because I swear it, every time he gets home, he goes and touch that bunny like he's his favorite one. So I'm just going to leave it in there until I find something similar to it. And since it's green, I mean, I know it's a bunny, but it's still green, and it doesn't bother me to have that one in there. So I'm just going to leave that one in there, and some of the flowers that I do have in the coffee bar area, and also the flowers that I have underneath the furniture piece next to the couch. Those are flowers, so I'm just going to leave those in there, and I'll probably going to be adding some pillows until I find those. So that way that the couch doesn't feel empty. And plus the kids love to use pillows, but again, I was really happy to put the white pillows away because they're boys. And again, if you have boys, you know that you can't have anything white because, yeah, you can't have white stuff, which I love white and I can have everything white. But at this point, not yet, even though my kids are teens. It's kind of like they're still little kids. So I am going to be safe and just put those in my bedroom.
Yeah, but sometimes you can't handle your emotions, and I guess that's okay. Met you at a time when I was so low. Went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be. So if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me drown.
And that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video and that you got some motivation for your cleaning. Don't forget to go check out Andrea and go show her some love. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Promise you won't let me